sweat, y'all. If you do your makeup right and you really get into your makeup, it will take you less time to make this wig than it will take you to beat your face. That's how quick this is. We're making wigs today, y'all. And I used a couple new products. Bam! I'm gonna give y'all the details of what I did to get this wig to look like this in just a minute. But you know, first, I gotta show love to my subscriber of the day. You know that. Bam! You the bomb. Okay, y'all, so listen, hold on. Y'all know my gloss be, honey, my gloss will betray me in a minute, child. You be thinking your lips is right and that gloss be quan. Okay, y'all, so all right, let's talk about this. This hair is from Freetress. It's their 3x pearl curl, and I have 18 inches, but I cut it. You'll see that in the demo because it's really long, it was super cute when it was long, but that wasn't what I was going for, so I ended up cutting it. I really like this curl because it's so juicy. The curls are like, let me see. Let me come up on you like we finna fight. Y'all know how I do. Look at that. It's such a juicy curl, y'all. These curls are so juicy and they're so easy to separate, y'all. Bam. Woo! That's why I really like these pearl curls. So when I saw it, I was like, oh, those curls look super juicy. And y'all, this is very soft. This is really soft, really light. I know this is a lot of hair, but it's not heavy at all. It's not even heavy a little bit. But really what I'm here to talk about is not necessarily the hair. I wanted to tell you what it was because I know y'all gonna want to know. But what I'm really here to talk about is the cap. Now, this cap is also from Freetress. This is their headband crochet wig cap. Okay, they also have a headband dome wig cap as well, which I'm gonna just show you just to let you see that they do have both of these. So if you want to crochet you a wig, or if you want to sew you a wig with some tracks, cuz you have options. You see where I'm at with it. You have options with your wig making. Let me just tell you about this crochet cap. I've crocheted wigs before, but never a headband wig. So, well, I guess not technically. So yeah, I've made headband wigs before. Well, this is the first time I've crocheted a headband wig using a product that is specifically made to make headband wigs. Like, I've ninja rigged some things together. I've put some things together to make a headband wig before. You know how we do. But this cap is actually constructed to be made into a headband wig. So this is the first time that I've done it the way it was intended and made for it to be done way. Yeah. Every other time I was, you know,
just using my round the waist skills.
Pretty much. This headband, it's supposed to be sweat proof. So if you guys work out, this will definitely be a benefit for you because it will dry your sweat really quickly. You'll notice the shape of the holes in the crochet cap. They're diamond shaped. They were very easy to use, y'all. Sometimes you can use crochet caps and the holes are so nerve-wracking, kid. And these pearl curls, they're real juicy. I was able to fit a entire piece into those diamond shaped holes. Not one piece of the cap pop. So I had no problems with it. You'll also notice that there are certain size holes. With really big fluffy curls, you have the leeway to just kind of space it out, put it in there, fluff it out. It's gonna cover everything up. You want to do something real quick, get you some big hair and get it popping. But if you're using more straight or kinky straight or hair that's not as voluptuous, along the top you'll notice that the holes are much smaller. That's because you want to use smaller pieces to make that top part seamless. Along the sides, the pieces can be a little bit larger and the holes are larger as well for that purpose. So it's constructed very well. It was very much so thought out. It does have the Velcro strap that's in the back to give you a good fit. This is a real nice fit, y'all. Hold on. I gotta make sure that if y'all been with me for a long time, I mean years, you know how I like the shape when I cut hair. I tilt my head like this so I can see the shape. I like for it to be like a moon, a crescent moon shape. Bam. That's how I get my shape, y'all. Those who've been rocking with me for a long time, you already know what time it is. That's how you want that to look. So when you raise up on them, huh? When you raise up on them, you got that nice bam right there. You see that shape? That's all you gotta do. Give yourself that little crescent moon shape right there. I'm on my toes, y'all, because I'm short. lift up on them. You see where I'm at with it. That's all you gotta do. Tilt down, bam, crescent, lift back up on them. That's all, that's it. Let me show you on the other side. I didn't really finish, so this side is a little bit more ignorant. Long pieces right here, this is not crescent. I did that so that you can see. Hold on, let me crescent this out. Now you know you lost and turned out. This hair right here is so ignorant, y'all. That hair right there was so ignorant. Come on, crescent. We looking better. We looking better. We're looking better. And this is real cool when you got things to do. I'm working on a schedule. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all know how it is when you parents and you work. Your time is just irrelevant because see, your baby got a whole schedule. So you gotta work around their schedule. Ain't that a blip? So this has 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. I would have preferred a comb to be right here on top. It's not sliding. To me, that'll just give it more security. And in my experience, it's just better. Let me show you this dome cap real quick. And it has the same features, same type of Velcro. It dries very fast, so you can work out in it. This is basically the same thing, only it's a dome cap instead of a crochet cap with the holes in it made for crocheting. This is like if you want to sew or glue tracks to make your headband wig instead of crocheting it in. This is also very stretchy. Oh, and it's really, really cool. It's actually cool to the touch, y'all. The comb placement is the same on this one as well, y'all. So you have the 2 off to the side. You got the 1 comb in the back. And then you have the dome cap. So they have this option too as far as creating your own headband wig. So that is really, really cool. So yes, y'all, this is so cute. I'm gonna go take some pictures and then I'm gonna get you to the demo. Freetress Pearl Curl. Pearl Curl, Pearl Curl. There's something so special about the name Pearl. So Freetress Pearl Curl, 18 inches. I have the colors 1B, T30, and then T27. And then this is their headband crochet cap. All of this is Freetress all up in here, okay? This is the throw on and go. Straight up. Straight up, this is the throw on and go. You throw this on, you run to the store. Absolutely, absolutely. I love it. Let me get y'all over to the demo. Ow!